Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check IMEI number on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, the IMEI number can provide information about the device, such as its model, manufacturing date, and country of origin. This information can be useful when buying or selling a used device. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, open the settings menu on your device. Next, navigate to the My Phone section, and within it, locate the phone information. Okay, upon selecting the phone information, you will be presented with details about your device, including its unique International Mobile Equipment Identity or IMEI numbers. So you will find two IMEI numbers listed, each corresponding to a specific SIM slot or network connection. Click on the IMEI number you wish to view for more detailed information about your device identification. So, second step, open the link app. And then you can type the following code. So, the IMEI number will be presented on the screen. Well, that's the tutorial on how to check IMEI number on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.